Are you aware of the correct pronunciation of the Leen letters, or have you just been saying them? If you're wondering, I'm Adam Rahim with Quran Flow for your 10-day Quran challenge, and today we have with us the concept of the slow motion Leen, which you're going to see in a minute how this works, how this comes together. This is referring to the letters Ya, that we have in these examples here, and letter Waw, whenever they have a sukun on top of them, or they have a rest sign on top of them, and they're preceded by the sound sign, making the sound, right? So it's very typical. You would hear, for example, this last word here, right? This is a surah that we all know. We all grew up learning this. You hear very commonly, khof, khof, which is incorrect. What you want to ensure is, firstly, finish this sound sign here, open your mouth, look at my mouth, open, and then I want you to lean, hence the name, these are the slow motion Leen. I want you to lean into the wow. Ow. Beautiful. Try it one more time. Ow. Now I want you to apply that specifically here with this kha and this wow. So it's going to sound khawf and that khof. Khawf. Khawf. Beautiful. Wow, that was amazing. Now if we take a look and we take an example with the ya, it's very common that you would hear al-bayt, no, not like that. Like I said, you want to open your mouth, and then you're going to lean into the ya. Hence the name, slow motion Leen, right? So Leen letter. You're going to lean into the ya. Open your mouth, just like that. And then ay. Beautiful. One more time. Ay. So this is going to sound al-bayt. One more time. Al-bayt. Beautiful. Now let's apply that together. We have a total of 4 examples here. 3 with the ya, first verse. We have this in the second verse, ya. The third verse, ya. And then lastly, we're going to end it with a wow. Now let's read this together. I want you guys to follow along with me. Make sure you open your mouth for the sound, and then lean into your ya and your wow. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. لإيلاف قريش إيلافهم رحلة الشتاء والصيف فليعبدوا رب هذا البيت الذي أطعمهم من جوع وآمنهم من خوف. That was excellent, beautiful. If you want more details about this and any other rule, ensure to visit QuranFlow.org and register for our upcoming semester. See you guys over there.